Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to this beautiful sunny day. We are set again. Yeah, like today's blog posted by the Hardy. This is the last chance. We need to share this gift, and for as many who are ready to accept this offer, we need to go out, prospect, let them hear. We should inform them. We should tell them, and let us show the love of God to them. That yes, indeed, the community of Tibians as their love at heart. We want them to be free. TBC has for over time, freedom for humanity. So I urge you, consistency is the watchword. Consistency is the watchword. Don't relent in your efforts. Cheers to all leaders in the house. Say no, don't relent in your efforts. And for as many who are coming to, we need to make it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And we will eradicate poverty. So let's go out there, let's share the gifts. Let's meet our targets. Our target is to get 1 billion people into the community. Let us end this distribution once and for all. And let's enjoy. Let us start to enjoy our abundance locked up in our wallets. So, guys, it's time to move out. See you. God bless you. Don't forget, pay your admin fee, pay your subscription fee. Yeah. And guess what? You'll be rewarded for it. Best you can.